A lady named Gynel lived with mom and sis. Her mother's love was strong, but came with risks. She pushed them hard to walk the perfect line and keep their lives just like she had in mind. Gynel was dating Mr. Really So Fine, but he had no job and he wasted time. Her mom said, no, you must stay away. Too old, too broke, you can make her stay. But Gynel's heart was lost in his embrace. Another girl, Venza, joined the chase. Small room, 3 plates, mama counting coins.
Anyway, how was school?
School was fine. Just that,
Just that what?
Today, afternoon, class was cancelled. Yeah, due to some, I think they said what. So they were giving some excuse like that.
You were happy?
Of course, why wouldn't I be happy? When I know coming home, I'll run and come and see you.
Okay.
Hey, I'll just come and see you, my dear. Yeah. What about you? How was home?
Cool. Just thinking about you.
Okay.
Wow.
What do you want to see? Hey, eyes closed. Hey, as for you. But you know I really love you.
Love you more.
Really?
This is beautiful.
That was then.
That was what then?
That was like 3 years ago. I love it. So when I told I'm taking you out then?
Very soon.
When is very soon?
Soon
Give
means
me a date, a day.
I'll give you a date,
That means that my boo is, really in love with me.
Okay, let's see. Maybe 15.
Let's do it 14th. Come on, take me out on 14th February. I know.
So 15th will be okay for us.
Say so, darling. I just can't wait to be with you forever. Happily married.
Oh.
With kids. Like, we go to work, come back home, buy us some sweets and all that.
Time will tell.
Yeah, dear. Huh? Awenga. Adi anti wa wo ye busa ho say aye. Akola akọ school. Mimi nim say o school won. Woni ni jankwanjen. Eda ho. Eda ho na obebo ni say chaskele. Eda ho na ababo mba say chaskele. Wanya bebia mfa me be ya nkwankwotena. Say mpo restaurant o say si bibi so dey say pap o say dey amfa na nkọ ho. Bobi down ho dan chemu nye wani ewu ama papa wati akola kiti ojina we ana hu ne we dia hey mama kasa wo ne we dia ro nim se wanyini no akukuru tuo de ente se asi una so e na we sada akiri on se wani ewu hwe wani mtwa atwa o ye dipa boni nipa we the pub bonini papa. Who was your prepare mbano? Oh, who was your prepare no? Oh, hey, you trust you. Now we'll be a minute to go school. Who sit down? Danche. They say we are done. Never done. Danche muba. Who are wanting to whom you say abontin? What tell an answer? Where they are by your Olumabugi? I dear no by your Awenga. Wow, Olumabugi, who's I Awenga? I dear no way by your hey, call me free. Mimi didn't come away. Mimi Nikai. We did this a medical. And yes, one come. The mayor won any man, and even over Ferro and him. Who's any phone book? It's a phone they crack and they. Whoa, Awenga.
Another girl calling on his phone. Gynel feels that sting in her bones. Mama say, Gynel, listen, your heart is soft. The world is stiff, that man can't pay attention if he can't even pay for bread. But you say, Mama, I feel him. I see the good they never see between your toes.
Mama, huh? And some women and some fun I would in the same. Huh? Makamacho. Akosua. Makamacho sadia wo ye mani nye ho. Mempene so mempe. Memese mempe na mempe. Obie nu a obetimi aka chem se memese mempe no no bepe. What did I make at no? Huh? Since our papa ewuye. Me nkai mo ya. Me na mabra hwemo a bepem sa abre. Beka bibi a kire wa wunti. Mama. Huh? Makama cheo se oluma panki o sama no twe ho free no ho
ma me di asem
wate ha
di asem na de
obi a wo be ko school no o sheda nchemu oni akokora ana sheda nchemu dia de no ba ya wo ma me
sister na sister free school buy o see ya cancel the lectures
ana ya cancel the lectures so se dia no e dia de na ko so wo ye
o no so okosha na danfo bi aba
sa akola fa akokora danfo akwara ofa akwakura danfo
ame se ya de ebetu afifi aja wo
me fa ho ban
e bia de sa de
wo pe kura sesi afa prae ne to me bra dem ko union makọ
eh mamme
sesi afa prae ne to ko union makọ wo ba ye na mo se mo wie lectures so se ba ye de wo ba ye de na wo tran bodwa na wo hwa mame ha wo kwa ye unyare fatuma nzem oluma panke no ha unyare yan fatuma nzem ye kasam tire mamunti ye kanyansa sam egu masoma mamunti ha
you need to calm down this not fair
yeah the bro sem bi ono so wono so ne wo kire bi hwe de wo kire bi mo mfa de obetimi ahwe mo tom anu na hia me se mutifi anam se mo mfa de obahwe mo a me so me ma mo ho ntomo da me di mani sa wate
so na ma me ye o
me se so ba ko
sa na ma me ye o
anu ya wo hwe mbai
se ya sa na ma me
wo hwe mu ban ha
Akosua
papa ni to ne be se wura de mo ko yi uni ma na ko I want to say yes, we are gangalia. What about them? And no ma catch them. So when ya papa na chidia, Miss will be any woman. Some man science ya. Oh, papa was for being to me. Will be on to me, and he said, to. I want to almost hey, made do with papa and Miss Cocorano. Club Bonnie saw to us that you ever show papa. Now, so you can't walk out. One when I saw son. All I've been me.
Infima me.
Me de no yem won.
Infima me se sa no.
See do obey me fan won.
O don ko be bi o do. Same stadium mo ani je. So ani je.
Sweetheart, please, I'm very sorry for what my mom did to me. Mr. Wanini, Fachano.
Well,
Okay, babe.
it's okay. You're in the life for sanity.
I say, Mommy, for the moon, you know, it just stage be a monopause and all that. So, please, my sake.
I understand you perfectly, but it's unfortunate. Come on, Emily, because who say, you never me penny my life, I see. You get it? But she's right. Maybe I'm coming mommy shoes man and can behave more than the way she's behaving. But it's unfortunate. I want to penny say, and it me dimatem do here, a meaning I dimatem. And yammy poo. My fair for and that benzim. Minya, na comes with the sabens in the movie.
I know.
Oh, my fair for at the apartment, a film.
Calm down.
Minya, and comes with the movie.
But my son, Mommy, and I will carry.
Anyway,
I'm so sorry, okay?
yes.
Just forgive her. That is why I'm here to plead on her behalf.
Well, I don't have anything against her, but I feel sad and can be money at least. Also, didn't need to who say me a nipper. Oh, anyway, no, don't have dinner. Oh,
I know you're forgiving me, right?
yes, I have.
That's why I love
so
you. Okay. So what's up for today?
Well, as usual, organizing and reorganizing myself, and I hope the course will not affect you this way.
I'm okay. I'm very fine.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay,
I'm good.
that's fine. Sound affect you, I think is It's cool.
Okay. Thank
You're
you.
looking beautiful. Look at
Thank
you.
you.
No wonder your mother wants to
Sorry.
cheat me alive.
Anyway, that's fine.
I really wish. But
Wish what?
I'm in a
Oh, finish up. You wish what?
We shall get there.
Okay. Very fine.
When we get to the river, we shall
Anyway,
cross.
I want to see me up. I'll send me a call.
I don't want you to go.
I should stay with you.
Okay,
then let's go inside.
Don't
go inside there. I'll say the album.
Okay.
A lady named Gynel lived with mom and sis. Her mother's love was strong, but came with risks. She pushed them hard to walk the perfect line and keep their lives just like she had in mind. Gynel was dating mystery song.
Good evening.
Good evening. How do you
My friend, I will call when you marry Busan. I say, I didn't get it.
I made him any matter.
No, I am only Munti Wati. Only Munti, I said, the Penfosi years to cry him. Idi.
Brand, I don't know. I saw 9 out and say Sanya name Mudaho. But I saw some me no, and I don't say she.
A baby, a young Michelle now, Cassia. In fact, I am a miracle. Eh?
Don't put a rap with a man saying.
There be said, Ben, my dear, Casan and Carnegie, but I sent him who piano anymore. I will. I say, you'll be over.
And it is some one and Kamaka. I'm a maniac. But I saw a brand new school. What's in a fee in Fishiani or a Juma crowing a bin. I just saw my name and put them with a new site in Okonia block and a concrete Owuswaa. And son over who quench be any more who quench any. No, we. Sabre the Piaka Mani, Sabre the ceremony.
Indeed, Ebe you.
I know they crash. Why are they?
No, Ebe ye just say, Sabi, ababonly if it's back on Sana Yacombino.
Until the bench.
Oh, Sabe Bocas away, and I will say we feel Cassem.
Sure.
So would you want once I was started Owuswaa blocks? What you say? Just say, oh, because who will say Abantiano. Sabi, we used to cool, they Mumajuma Nini ho, and then just out to her, oh, bow so. Once I would do my cacasa, who knew Danyame, Ebe you boafwa. What you say?
Your mamma boafwa.
And the mammy can be Jessica for more come Papa despite me now, so it's almost story. It almost at it from baby.
Well, that was him to motivation speakers pass. No,
Ablabono, yes, I see. Baby, I'm better with more who say, Ben Mashia, see, I know just an away, you know. The only name,
motivation speaker say, oh, I started my business with zero capital. Not to say, me zero capital, your business in Timin.
Only saying, Uncle Pama, the actual nutrition in that so.
Ah, well,
say I am connected to cry some butcher and Sebi Jumano.
You know, say evangelism now, and so far.
Look at you. They be a dinner on the way you can. Will be a mimi on, yeah, we person me cabby, maybe be more on Egypt, but also what to keep off from his answer the making in so.
Maybe a master, no,
me to say because we are Brema, and I want try baby, what we school, who could out, or set there was Uncle Juma. But I have more
life.
Idi ayembre susubu abem. Anyway, what did he?
And upon they say as usual, cook video when you're dinner.
Would you tell upon how to tea? No, did you?
No, any day. Oh, do you have any option?
I could buy.
Oh, madam.
Jesus Christ.
You go maybe I send you for training.
Don't worry.
May I call surround my bar?
Yeah, you might say, oh dear, so dear, me say, Miss Yawa, me this can be come out with you a high and your shame, that's all. It did you know? Oh, how queen. It is still come out with you a bad and your shame. I may fuck a crumb on a baby could say, and he said, yeah. Because a comedy ain't been by Sepitan or Pat, Bema Catachet and Tingamu to sell no dear. No. Listen, I'm coming. Okay.
How long? I know she may be over
and yes, she. Some men a mini bee, and I share men a messy comedy. I know St. Cabba me.
Why not so the way you're back?
With a 500 cities. In the jail,
Debut,
the penny away.
I don't like that. Me the call come up, you could tell because Becca actually said me send him more money today. 500. I could to be with you. Me who say na say undi I am me ya. Be me no nyam 40 sell. I could to be been a didi mommy what say. Say can you quite a copy can me and Casam could enjoy your journey. It's nothing. This is small money.
500.
What? It where are he? Wait, I hear
500 cedis.
so could to be BD, me patrol. I was saying, come be here, Jan, any mouth, but me co baby. And Damas, as that when you're me home. Unshawn so. Me bomb pie say, Radima when you saw the honey, Bema say, Radimo nature, man, ye. Now, Bema, and your Bema, Bema and CP. Idi, and that's so what eh? Don't be sad, please. I don't like your face, please. No, I don't like this, please. Don't do this, okay? Idi, no.
Small room, 3 plates, mama counting coins on the tray. Gynel braiding sister's hair, dreams folded in a plastic chair. Mama says, girl, I've walked this road. I know sweet words can feel like gold. Eyes on Gynel, voice so tight. Love can't cook food at night. Mama say, Gynel, listen, your heart is soft. The world is stiff, that man can't pay attention if he can't even pay for bread. But you say, mama, I feel him. I see the good they never see between your blood and your feelings. Gynel, who you gonna be? Mr. Iddy waiting by the gate, faded shirt coming late, empty pockets, powerful grin, lines of worry on his skin. Mama steps out, arms crossed tight. Older man, leave my child tonight. You bring nothing but wasted years. You
Ain't you my sweethearts? Hey, what do you want to mommy? Come inside. Hey, but why are you here?
Why am I here?
Hey, you know I'm home, my mom.
Hey, I'm here to see you, so what's wrong? Sit down now.
I won't do.
On your shoe.
My uncle, if you remember.
Sit down.
Now, when I was at Casa first, Asa, who for the here?
Wow, really? And kind of on me.
What party on her? What's with your son? A guinea was in your bonnet. And your bonnet idea.
Well,
Hey, not to cry when you work a crab radia. Hey, just a midget home for it. And I don't say, wouldn't name Olu. It will say, ya, one son number Luma, it will say, and I was a crabone. A crabone, a yode. Ah,
but we didn't.
So, who pens are for to walk on a fine. Then we didn't know what
and anybody more like a year credit the time I'm sending come here far number that.
A dear. Wait. Any
Iska.
Me, I may say, Iska, me who say, and me, and now Bobani Kuramen, where you dear. Sika say any
400.
Aye, they are.
Can't do to be.
Maybe to be. I say we couldn't swim to me. Owuswaa, I just say, Nammy, you pay, and I will beat me at all. Huh? Olu, dear, what do ya? Oh, faith, you are like it way. Want me and sign, yes, care best for me. I'm Remy, way. Ah? Wouldn't blow my brain. Now the way, Eddie and Mammy. Now creating holding this apple. Oh, Mammy. Ah? Or suddenly it's half of 300 I ordered. I didn't know, you know. Huh? What discovery is what did you matter, Mabel? Huh? Eddie, what did you know? Ah, I let that one. Once I'm a new crow, so we are then, yes, going. Just walk over here.
Oh, Debbie.
Walk over here, Sikay, my baby, Diana, dear from me. Oh,
Memocrono.
no, way. I walk without a winner, scan way. And then, Mamma.
Mukuya, you may be now.
Hey, what's that from for coming?
Debbie, Memocrono. Debbie, Minacron.
What the chrono, and we are proposica, and the best
Debbie.
I don't know what to call.
And I defeat your colleague.
Debbie, Minabia.
Now the same when you work out on their brain and it's so
Hey,
won't you make her? No, walk her. Obey Jit, one no, means he, obey Jin a wet. I was so. Hey, so one from four. And your sort of call. And a sort of Mr. Crawford, and your sort of hey, okay. Akosua. How Sandra? Hey, Akosua. How do you know which one from Soko? How want to Crawford is a Crawford? What's up with your Crawford?
Gynel crying, facing hands. This is not the love I planned. Another girl wearing a shirt, laughing loud, doesn't see or hurt. Suddenly mama's words sound true, and the truth cuts straight through you. Now you say, Mama, listen, my heart was soft, but now it's strong. I thought that this was heaven, but I stayed in the dark too long. Mama says, baby, I feel you. I'll hold you till the pain runs free between your blood and your feelings. You chose the one who chose you, finally. Oh.
First of all, I would like to apologize on whom I minded. First of all, Edie, I would apologize on my mom's behalf. Why this all by or but sometimes you surprise me. How did you get this money? Because in Ryan and I work as a home. And today you just came to my house with this money. You were bringing this money to my mom. Hey, you're very serious. She told me, we are then I can't ski.
I'm sorry, we feel. I'm sorry, I'm in crowd. Interfere and me pee because I didn't drain a dorsal. Maybe I'm share madam for or more manager, many didn't come and also Miss Twitch and I like a Hannah. And you know, I'm more with my boy, make a crowd just to say, me. I know, I'm 500 cities, 500 cities, 100 cities in prayer. Oh, I can win 1 city in Brooklyn. So, enemy few answer and buy me few on my list. Oh, me imagine saying come there, bro. But I do on months on my maybe I'll boom me too. So now 1 year, she mammy bad that 1 year say, 1 year say. It means so who been here at least once. And the man know who say, and yet, Guapayo, Neminia, maybe a man. And in trial, and then my bonny am I.
Why are dear? But what I'm sure, like I say, the situation, like I am mobile. No one knows, Cassie. 500 cedis. You didn't keep the money to yourself. And I would have bury mommy. Like, are you for real?
Say, maybe who say none of bonnet, so after all.
No, we're not so keep this can at least we need a can't know did. Who's a man and Kawasa me people bro, but you know, my mom is some way. I'm also not someone who's studying. But at least this one should have been with you. That's all the burn.
Send me the minimum, send me the burn at least one who say, Minibia, maybe a man.
I know.
Any Minibia, maybe a man. Oh,
that's why I love you. I know so will be out by mommy. But right now, just relax. Don't stress on why. Everything will be okay. That reminds me. I said, when you said, I'm a message here. Because I have a family, and then out of the blue, you are just in my house. I said, she will still be doing those things. Oh, yes, and I may harm you. The embarrassment is too much.
it's okay.
Are you okay? Are you sure? You want to give me a peg? If you want to give me a peg. That's still not okay. 1 per peg. Kawamane.
Okay.
So you're hungry. So give me a peg. Thank you, baby. So right now, Me keep you in my budget.
I know what you.
Keep it. And I make keep you on there. I mean, if I can come, baby, Adrian, and the bread. Okay. Another day. I've been crying. What do you want to eat?
I don't feel like eating.
Oh, because of this thing.
I had some feelings.
But they made tears of your mouth. So you say your favorite. You like it? When your mom. And you come to feel. Sure.
I feel normal.
Yeah, I'm going to me your hair. No, maybe it's like that, but I'm to make us be cool. Hey, how? But they're small, eh?
I'm okay.
Oh. Anyway, so go inside.
Gynel lived with mom and sis. Her mother's love was strong but came with risks. She pushed them hard to walk the perfect line and keep their lives just like she had in mind. Gynel was dating Mr. Itty so fine, but he had no job and he wasted time. Her mom said no, you must stay.
I'm sweetheart.
Yeah, hi.
I'm with you. First of all, may I apologize. I say, must stop you and taking a bit of your time. I know, say you might be in a hurry or something. If I'm not mistaken, this is the second time I'm here. The last time I'm in home, no, not also taxi, but we were a distance. I mean, we were quite far from each other.
Sure.
Yeah. Baby, I will concern how I let me drop you off.
Oh. Thank you, that's fine.
Me any pabone for okay.
Oh,
I'm not a bad person.
But I'm okay. Men and Tiako.
Eviabo. Me ko ejuma. Ebi krana baby akono. It might be a while class and a while ameko.
Really?
Yeah, so come on, hop in. Let's talk. There's always a first time meeting people.
I know, but I just feel like walking, please. Thank you.
In this hot sun.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
I'll say the way I miss it, and my name say you might feel say I want to take advantage of the fact say oh you are walking and I may drive.
But you still insist to drop me off?
Yeah, I
really
want to. Yes. Oh, they may not nasia. Ope krana. Don't mention your name to me. Opa men found number mami. Ope krana mean dinko mobi amen kasa. Just sit in the car and keep quiet.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, if you say so.
Broken hearts behind. Oh, love so tangled, hearts so torn. Mama's worries
Edie, sorry for waking you. sorry. I know you are skating. What the? Fetch me, Kafar. Yeah, no, I'm sure Kafar. Anyway, me didn't match most of that. I couldn't tell you that you see for me. Kafar. Sorry. Are you okay? Are you sure? Kafar. Sorry. I'm not used to this, so.
Oh, let me help you.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah. I mean, Obet's any BBI.
Baby.
Yeah. Anyway, patch everything.
Okay, just take your left.
Left, okay. Yeah, you're very, very beautiful.
Thank you.
Mami Joe number grandson na Mary Akosua. Can I have your number?
You're already taking my number. I thought you said. Anyway, that's fine. I can give you my number.
Okay.
0540 873 066.
Thank you so much. And anyway, I'm Agyei.
Okay, I'm Akosua Gynel.
Akosua Gynel. Wow, such a beautiful name.
Sure. So you can just take your life.
Oh, okay. This is the place. Okay, then let me.
What is this?
Yeah, my ending come up card and I enter say it was a beauty cool.
No, to me, I say, Kafra.
I'm ready.
I am ready. Sorry about that. Anyway, sorry. Oh, Kafra. Really, sorry. Some of Benya knew now. Miko Chrome. And I'm who near my back community. And there are missing who you know. Me who say, it's a very like Osha Bayafe. Yeah. So, and I'm missing my mentor and I'm in farm girl. And it's kind of mammy for heavy. I may buy and yes, and your money can and car. What does an anchor be jar hook by here? I won't be powder bread.
Venza, why do you do all this?
And you be just I like you, you know. Me who be me who say Ebe Fatawa, I have to buy it. So.
Thank you very much.
You shouldn't have to. Anyway, welcome.
I appreciate it.
No, you're welcome. Don't mention. Number two, what did you do?
Oh, I bought some Gary vinegar.
What?
And I say the Gary is my favorite.
What the Gary since morning? Oh. Mikaya, and who has a baby sauce? What did you cry? Be cry? No. Now, my cat is so dear. What did you ask baby Gary? I show you, baby. Mammy, did you reach your hair? And I may be from my way. You could tell me questions and me jam me bag in the house. Mammy, jacket serving a mayor. It's not over there. Okay, we need to after Jollof. Catch you and I may mouse is there. No, tell me what do you want?
Anything right.
Anything right. All right, I'm coming.
Life. I know what she wants. It's unfortunate. I don't know could be baby but
Yeah, anyway, what do you do?
Okay. I mean, my final year, I'm doing general nursing.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And there's really a very big problem. And that's my bad of a panic.
Sure.
Yeah. Anyway, man, so as I said, my name is Agyei.
Okay.
CEO of Gynel & Co. Yeah, no, I deal in computers now. I'm also an artist manager as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. So you manage artists?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good of you. Anyway, I gotta go.
I know. I said, me know what kind of probe episode see from. What's wrong?
Myself, I've gone through a lot, so. But yeah, okay. Do you have anything else to talk about?
Well, anyway, once I have your number, I don't really mind.
Sure.
What's your feeling?
Yeah, let's take our left. The
Left,
house
okay.
is just
Alright,
there,
sure.
where the mango tree is.
Oh, okay, sure. I hope somebody could see you no be under.
Nobody will beat you anyway.
Alright.
Small room, 3 plates, mama counting coins on the tray. Gynel bride in sister's hair, dreams folded in a plastic chair. Mama says, girl, I've walked this road. I know sweet words can feel like gold. Eyes on Gynel, voice so tight. Love can't cook food at night. Mama said, Gynel, listen, your heart is soft. The world is stiff, that man can't pay attention if he can't even pay for
My dear,
say na me hwehwe no.
dear. Mr. Who, ma'am, we are
so we need ne sa. Akọ wonim we nyina ana akọfa oluman bugi. Ah, sere mama me. We bi na mama me hwe hu.
my dear, baby.
Di obesi wi ka we no. Ano na hia wo fia ha. Na de bi na wo hwehwe. Ah? Oluman bugi no. Oluman bugi. Hey. Obi a wonyini a wo ye wo nana. Ano na wo hwehwe.
Mama, what's the oh, yeah, my nana.
Ano nana.
Abba.
Adi aba ko. Ha? We say die. Ye me hu kura no gina ha me hwe kakra. Ehu wo ka ni se. Me on na ye wo class. We na woni ne nante a fa wie nim. Umfa ni nsie. What did make us run?
Mama.
Ye.
Na ya wo yesa.
Ahedan.
Be me o shia ni krampo. Me nim. So ya apache o so ya den yo. Onu kwa wan fa pa asem kram to manim. Wan sorry mpa mama ehu. Se ne nan mienu ye adwuma o. Me nim. Na so ugina ha na wachichiche ho saa. E na be me na me pe no. Hey,
Wo di apache de me de me fa ho na apache awo.
We abo ma me nko na me nko pe ba bi fa meeting so me strom pa cho.
Akobra. Bra tie me.
Nko me de
Ojo number.
Number. Mama dem ni number ye den. Me de wanje me number o.
Ha.
Mama.
Kede wo chire bi. Wo de me chire wade a wo mpe. Ha? Me de suya me nyansa ni bi o. Eni nti na me bompa ya ama anya me wo me krada. Ha? Me mpe sa nyama ne se wo akora kama sei. Be ma panyini we sei na akwa godi na chine de no be yo. Wo twu mutan a we. Wono ana eko. Wono na sew fata wo. Me kwoti amete. Wako fa papa panyi we onye wuwi onye ohwe na wudi akire acha we papa mama na wanhwe a afikura wonya na wawu na wakra keto abe yekuna wa bodam akwan bi aso me nya kase wo no na na beta ike we o ya pache na me fa on na pache awe Owuswaa
Mama.
ene me ko dwom ntam menim se dwom ntam na me ko ye nti o ma me fa ne ma wo mu nyina me ko no mo ma
Anti ma so se be ndo obantem mo.
sin na de me nwanwa
Onu ampa.
Na baby yes.
Minim eden ho.
Ka odi nyoma ketu e be kan.
Se ma san disike ya sa beto ba bi eden. Ti me fe se nyame ya admatch na magu mu ketema akofese bi ende. Wo ma ene no ma mantama nyame ya admatch na de.
Ene kwa ejane o ma. Ejame ho 2 cedis penny ya.
Sika ni ho. Se sika ni ho. Ene man de aba from susika. Ene asem. Tinka kra be de eja nyame be ye.
Mami. Mum penifo na mubu baby say. Enye sense ni na na sika kokko. Mami afin so odo ko baby odo.
Usu abeto mu say.
Mami, owo mse mi swati. Nanso mi ti fi ha bi. Minim de ekoso. Mami say mi stop Mr. Idi. I didn't know my uncle no mon come no montana. Ah, Mammy. It is started in a hammer. I mean, yeah, Bibia, and I say, sika. What do home? One will do ya dinner. Oh, no, be honest was soon to no so dawn, ma. I mean, be Pierre Coye. Ay, Mammy.
Owuswaa. Someone paying for now, so soon I can't say. Odo kakra sika kakra meboa se meboa ka tem se meboa ya wo fe se papa panyin we sei abefa ne nana menka se ne bada ontimi nya ne ba ne nana na da bia oro ne ho na nana hwe ne ho wonu so wontimi hwe no se mo papa wu ye mi na mahwe mo a edimo tim de modu ya mahwe mo a ntimi mo obi so mefa mo no hwe mo na ebi enka me.
Mami to be about yourself for just when you
now the onim.
Mami.
Mami
the oye ni.
O the onim.
Enye kra.
The meme yenye.
That's any more sana na papa tena one no eto odum. No mama sister kwan no no so ne
onye do no se na wo nhwe mi a nka ma ntena ho.
Ena ka ye bodua.
Ana ye bodua.
Ko show bi asaketi baby e ho toy na je neni amoko ni tomatoes na ka eton.
Jo. Inti se oye bodua na ate ho na nya ana meme ne me yere me ho a me hwe mo no eni ade na me so me mamo ni mpia mo na mo nko ba bi ho ye na mo nyimi mfiri bodua na me so me ko transfer ano Ade na nyame nso mpiamo na nyame nso free bodwa ni na mo nso nkom anim wona mo kan level na mo nkom anim na mo nso mo ba fa me mfiri ha na me nko ayi store mu me kam wati ni ne waso no se fish shemu afanse wuram na yi efiri mote me o ma gift ya metia me se me mpene ne ne mpene na chinada me pedi obehwe no na bia ka me na bia ka wo wo hwe me sa hwe me kwa ya wo me nkosi ba bia na se wunua no hwe na so ma wo a ko ka kire ne se wo ba ye no de takra ame wo maami asuma nso amfa
me na make mas nyem sister ne ka
wo dam wo betimi asori ya se wo ba be ka asem si ache me kono ko ka kire wunua no se wono na so ma ka kire ne se wo de takra nu masum left and right enso amfa wo te je me ka kire no ma wani na ho me yei ma wani ne sei no enna ho wa te je me ka kire no na ke ka sanse mu we nkire me bida na me ma bere mo ho
arms crossed tight, old man leave my child tonight. You bring nothing but wasted years. You will feed her only tears. The Gynel's hand in his won't shake. Heart choosing what a mind can take. Another girl calling on his phone. Gynel feels that sting in her bones. Mama say Gynel, listen, your heart is soft. The world is stiff, and men can't pay attention.
Tell on me here. Man so bad. Man for so anji number. Ben chinchi monsa. Man je phone and few ho cran am say me dey bomb me number go so me nya number. I talked to you and you gave me a number. And you know, why won't you take my phone? Besides, for anything, I just pick up. Then go mom, if you are not interested. Oh, you can just. Hey, Daniel. Me jina depo nani mo na me twen why. Okay. Oh bra, mesa ko baby. The phone now. Nka phone so I from since and ready. Cause I can phone grade.
Love can't cook food at night. Mama said, Gynel, listen, your heart is soft. The world is stiff, that man can't pay attention. Can't even pay for bread. You say, Mama,
I'm in query and a crown in the court. So she was not specific about the household. I'm a economic bonnet and I'm describing her. Probably, I say name. Yo man, me chill. I mean, I work with time. Me jina ha check a crowd. What do I think? No, me jina ha check. I need to go somewhere too.
You will feed her only tears. The Gynel's hand in his won't shake. Heart choosing what a mind can't take. Another girl calling on his phone. Gynel feels that sting in her bones. Mama say, Gynel, listen, your heart is soft. The world is stiff, that man can't pay attention if he can't even pay for bread. But you say, Mama, I feel him. I see the good they never see between your blood and your feelings. Gynel, who you gonna be? Late night mama's praying low. God, don't let my daughter go. Gynel crying, face in hands. This is not the love I planned. Another another girl wearing his shirt, laughing loud, doesn't see or hurt. Suddenly mama's words sound true, and the truth cuts straight through you.
Madam,
Now you
sorry
say,
if I'm disturbing. I don't say, I'm after this lady. I mean, like, and or fair. The last time I dropped in, baby, I'm okay. He didn't figure. Akosua.
Akosua Gynel.
Yes.
Oh, the part where Mrs. Tapini.
My father, you grab Musa goes on doing good now. Oh wow, oh. My friend, a couple of times, but I'm picking up. Anyway, Fiona. So on Chedia for the meeting.
Okay, I told number.
I wouldn't have time. My main track a cry, I don't know, probably be of a bantam for cry. So betting me a friend, I'm my friend. I'm
sorry. You can't do that. Okay.
Maybe hold on. Hello. Oh, now some catch you say bedroom your friend. Oh no. Man can't say. Me catch you say your man bedroom your friend. Man can't say Bakumasi. I'm see bedroom. That's what I said. Martin, I'm sure. And so baby, I'm going to move because this is not how we discussed. Remember. Oh, I'm really sorry, man. You're calling me. I have to attend to it. Miss Robano, I can't change it. All right.
Sister. Obi be hwehwe me. Obi why? Nice guy, dude. Oh, you're so kind. A nice guy.
Oh, you go.
Mommy, you call.
No, my name Jane.
Make us so much nasty, but when you call, I'm not saying important content.
Ah, you know I'm trying kakra. Say what's in kaka chance here, show idea what here. Huh? I'm no man ko.
It's one more quiet chance. Me who time I'm better. No, so better nasty. Oh, one in your call. I'm not so
to win sister number. Ah,
me phone the do one you see I said doom light.
Doom say bia no. Ye bia make kan wa so ma no twe now. Won say bia ni. Ah? Or the number.
What's what friend is on?
Na di enti na wo so afre wa wo mfa. Ah? Busy be there busy. Ah? Wa frɛ wa wo mfa. Edi enti phone kura wo na nti obi afrɛ wo no. Akosua enti wa hunu. Ah? Frɛ nei. Frɛ no. Ah! Akosua. Gynel, frɛ no. Na nkasa. Na obeti asam de. Ah? Yeah.
Mommy, or you home?
Good evening, po. Sina anu misi ya jame to me ne ya na me hu si wa besi no. Oh. Enti na damfo a.
Mama me so bia mobile lifter. E bia na wo pen because was a friend of several times on pick it. I say le o ye ide. Once when him sister our boy.
So. Oh boy, dear boy. No ade ne ma no. Ma be ka chem so boy. Hey. If you never say winning, no winning, no winning, that's a dear boy. A dear boy. Only one of all. Olumabugi. Ah? Olumabugi nana. I mean, no one is our dear. Olumabugi nana. Ah, dear, one word drew here one fast on your son fan, the son and dear no. Hey, now cry put on a dirty table. Mammy, I don't want to my by no watch it. Over Pamo and to my ben or the Bamiji. Whom was so obedient to maybe about my and a year. Ah, and tomorrow we are in your garment in way and to my. About Fanadi man, way and to my. Ye pet dear, and ne, see, ye can't, no dear to, no dear to. What's it? See, I was light in you. Ah, maybe I was light in you. Hey, so winning, no winning. That's handsome, no. In your whole go, honey, free one, no possible. Pia was at your bass trumpet, no, a bar. What? Ubahunu, so will be our mamma. Ubecome Betty. So do be a mawale, it will fear. Ubecome Betty. Oh, bold, what?
The view sent me Max Naquano who hire a train. A quano, I am metro quano. No, if I just a machine, I did put a mission cabine. A normal with the call cry, what am I to Quano? Once I must see if you come a view. A quano no call available. Hey,
Quan out here. Huh? Into where we're into a patch, I said, dear old Tim Nisha. Huh? Makama chira se twon ho firi me ba na ho. Twon ho firi me ba na ho. Won pa so ba twon ho firi no ho. Adai. Makama chira se twon ho firi me ba na ho nti. Maka chira baako, maka chira mienu, atoso miensa. Papa panyina te se wo. Wudi akwa ketwa we achi nti ayema ho. Ah? Anasa ne body no. Ne we de na hu ye no. Onyini yo. Body na soso kwa. Wate? Wonana na eno no. Adai. Wonana na ene me ba no. Ana pa de afo sa. Wa wunti me hwa no. Mo so me hunu bra bia wo bo bia ye bra papa bia. Tie me. Se me kana sa wonti a. Me ba no. Wanya be ma obewa.
Oh.
Ni oh. E de oh.
No.
Na nka de yin. Ha? E de a.
I don't mean ill.
Me de fa brofo se mfiri me so kona me free. Na ye kan ya na brofo no. You don't mean de yin. Ha? Wo se be ye me aka ho ho. Wo se be didi matama aka ho mebo a. Na brofo na odi abam na free hen. Ha? O se me nte brofo ni nti no. Wo de fa brofo no odi di matam. No afa ho adi.
Aseta me ne te anya bonne so.
Anya bonne so. Enti aseta na me ba ne te na papa. Ha? Ah wo nana nya wo yam bampo. Se nka wo yam bampo kura nka ha adwene. Kemeka se bia ne oba panyini nya hwe. Na wa ti panyina te se wo nana wo bro homa ne hu adagam na. Aye. Twon wo no anya ne so ne de. Wanya ne so ani obi one ne yepe. Ene one ne te wo. He? Se wan twon ho amfiri ne ho a. Ama akura na nkonya wo so ne de na wanya no ne na ntena ho. Na wo ne wo ha ho. He? Mi hia udu megu enu ase du. Se wo ne me. Me bo dede sa me huru sa edu. What did I make a child? Ah, sebi me dem say akola no Owuswaa. Ana nyansa enimu a. Wa wo hwe we ye afudwini bebrebe ye go yi. Enti ebinim. Kakra kra eni utima dwini ye gu abodwe asese yi no. Masa, wani na ho. Ma wani na ho papa. Na toto ni emayi. Na twe wo ho. Efiri me ba no ho. De make a child no. Me konso asa nya ho ba bachi. Wo jale na woni. Wa bo dam.
So torn, Mama's words like a thunderstorm. Promises made and dreams so wide, but love won't follow the rules inside. Then came a man named Agyei, kind and gentle, ready to say I. But Gynel refused to be his bride. Her mom got mad, she screamed and cried. One day she said, okay, I'll obey. Months went by, he went away. Venza was left with a child to hold. Life got hard, her heart grew cold. A car hit hard on the roadside grave. He came back, saw the price to pay. Love so cruel, fate.
Idi. Ah. Jesus Christ. Is everything okay? Idi. Why? No, talk to me. What is wrong? What happened? Idi, please talk to me. Why? Jesus Christ. Idi, Agyei, then a yell. Mommy, who ye? Idi. Oh no. Idi, please, I'm talking to you. What happened? Are you okay? No, talk to me, please. Edie, I'm talking to you. Jesus.
Can I get a hug?
A hug? Why not? Edie, no, just hug me. God. Edie, no, tell me, is everything okay? Are you okay? No, talk to me, please. Why? I should hug you again? No. Talk to me, please, Edie. Talk to me. Talk to me. Why? And then I see what fear. Then I go. Then I no. And then me in casa. And then maybe I am mommy now. Edie, no. Come on. Don't do this, please.
So tangled, heart so torn. Mama's words like a thunderstorm. Promises made in dreams so wide, but love won't follow the rules inside. Then came a man named Agyei, kind and gentle, ready to say I. But Gynel refused to be his bride. Her mom got mad, she screamed and cried. One day she said, okay, I'll obey. Months went by, he went away. Venza was left with a child to hold. Life got hard, her heart grew cold. A car hit hard on the roadside.